So today is a glorious day today. 29 degrees, not quite as crazy hot as it's been in the early 30s. I'm in Oxfordshire today, just on the cusp of the Cotswolds. Woodstock's just over there, Banbury over there, Bicester over there, Chipping Norton that way. And if you keep going, you get to Stratford, which is a bit further on, probably about 40 miles away. It's lovely and windy and breezy, but warm. As you can see from my Royal Enfield Classic Bullet 500, I took off the back seat. So now exposed this super looking rear fender, and I absolutely adore it. It's got just 2 bolts that come off there and then it just slips off. Probably took about 10 minutes to do, if that, 5-10 minutes. And I think it gives the bike a complete, fresh, cool, vintage look. I've been showing it off to all my family and friends, and they think it looks even better with it off than on, the seat obviously. And one other thing I've also bought is a new Belfast helmet, as you see. £165, and it fits great. It's a large, obviously for my big melon, and it's got this lovely vintage brown interior, and it's quite padded too, so actually it's pretty good for wind deflection. You still need earplugs really, but it's the best one I've ever bought for wind deflection. And it also has the cool visor, and you can get a clip-on visor too, I think, or a little sun protector type thing that comes up here. I think there's some sort of optional extra, they said, but I didn't take it at the time. So it's matching with the bike. How cool is that? It's Belfast, not Bell, not like in the jackets, a Scorpion model. So I'm real chuffed with that. So I'm just riding out around the local villages, a couple of the towns, and I'm going to do a nice shot through Woodstock today, up through Blenheim Palace and round and call it a day. It's really just to give an update on this bike. Still loving it. I gave it a clean last night, a nice wash with some new cleaning products, and it looks great with that seat off. No pillions at the moment. So enjoy the day, enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoy this little short video on this gorgeous Sunday, and I'll see you in the next episode and see what we get up to next. Adios.
just a quick recap on the ride in itself. Had a great time out on the old Royal Enfield. The bike took me through the Cotswolds a little bit and also into Woodstock town, a super duper place to visit. Coming up now is just the main entrance to Blenheim Palace. A super place to visit if you haven't visited before. Highly recommended. Lots going on, lots happening all week long, all year round. So thanks again for watching. I know it was in raw mode, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.